Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel, we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Need for Speed Hot Pursuit Remastered on PC or laptop. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So downloading Need for Speed Hot Pursuit Remastered on your PC or laptop is a very simple procedure. Okay, so first what you need to do is to download the EA app. So what you need to do is to open your browser and let me just go ahead and show it to you. So open your browser and search for ea.com slash or forward slash ea-app. Okay. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the download the EA app. Or if you're playing on Mac, just go ahead and click on this download button right here. Okay. So once you've clicked on that, what you need to do is to wait for this one. And as you can see, I already downloaded it 3 times, but I am having a problem uninstalling this app. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dictate to you or show to you these steps, okay? Using my presentation. So here, you can just go ahead and customize the setup. So by clicking on that, you can change the game library location of EA games on your device. Okay, so just like that, now select the new location where you want to put the app. Now go ahead and click on Let's Go. Okay, so as you can see, it is now downloading. So what you need to do is just go ahead and wait for that one. Okay, and here as you can see, this is the problem that I am talking about earlier. That is why I cannot download the EA app. Okay, so it says that I am low on disk space, but I have large free space on my local disk D. But don't worry because I'm still going to show you the steps on how to download this game. Okay, so once you've downloaded the EA app, what you need to do is just go ahead and sign in your EA account. But if you don't have an account on EA, just go ahead and click on this one, create an EA account. So by logging in or signing in your account, you can continue with Facebook, Apple, I think the Steam, and Xbox, I think, and PlayStation. Okay, so you have tons of option on signing in your account, also on creating your EA account. Okay. Now the next step is to go to the homepage of EA app. So once you've signed in your account, what you need to do is to click on the home button at the left side of your screen. Okay, so that we can proceed with the next step. So once you're home page, what you need to do is to search for Need for Speed Hot Pursuit Remastered. Okay, so just go ahead and type this game right here at the search games and add-ons text box. Okay, so once you've done that, what you need to do is to find the specific game that you want to download. And once you've done that, you need to pay for a specific price. Okay, so just go ahead and click on purchase if you want to purchase the game, and you need to put all of your needed information for your bank account. And after that, you need to verify that you are the owner of that account. Okay? So just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions so that you can purchase the Need for Speed Hot Pursuit Remastered. Okay? And once you've purchased it, you can now enjoy the game. Okay? So once you follow all of these steps, you will be able to download Need for Speed Hot Pursuit Remastered on your PC or laptop. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!